G'day mates, how's it going? I'm Mr. GT. Welcome to the channel, and today you join us in another one of our fabrication series videos. And what we're going to show you today is how to make a wheel arch panel. And here we have Alex. How are you, Alex?
G'day everyone. What we've got here is a bit of offcut, and I'm going to make a section of a wheel arch or rust repair section. Of course, it's an imaginary vehicle, and it's just an example of how something like this would be made. Got a set of trembles here. I've also, set of dividers, but obviously I'm just going to scratch a bit of a wheel arch. Start again. Actually, that's fine. And I have a set of hand shears. And these are not nibblers, they're hand shears, and they imitate the same as your average tin snips. If you ever get tin snips like this, throw them away, throw them in the rubbish. These are a set of tin snips, they're Gilbos. You can still get them, only they won't be as heavy duty around here. And beautiful cut. But this does exactly the same thing.
And probably a lot quicker too, eh?
Oh, easy, yeah. Okay, I'll just flatten it here. Get a nice edge. Yeah, all I'm trying to do is just get rid of the burr. Okay, now what I've got here are a couple of scratch gauges. I made these myself. It's an old hacksaw blade, industrial hacksaw blade, and a couple of taps, any size you want. We'll go 40, oh actually I'll go about 50 millimeters. Not sure if you can see that line or not, but that's given me an even 50 millimeters all the way around.
Yep, there it goes. We can see it now. Follow it all the way, yep.
Now, that 50 millimeters is going to be a bit of a roll. Now, on the end here, we're going to have a lip, and I'll use this one because it's quicker and quieter. On the very end, we're going to have our return lip that makes everything nice and stiff. And a lot of cars also have another little lip just above that. So, okay, now we're going to put a roll on it. So I might just throw that there and a mallet and go to my 50 millimeters. I'm just going to flatten it a little bit with a flat wheel just on the edge. Okay. Now I'll move over to our bead roller. This is a tipping wheel, nice sharp edges, as you'll see. A little bit more. A little bit more defined. I'll just go one more pass. And just get that lip square with the, or parallel with the rest of the panel.
Mm-hmm. So you can see the shape it's taken
Well, this will be the outside eventually.
Yeah.
I've damaged it a little bit here with the English wheel, but I'm going to fix that up later.
Mm-hmm.
And now we put the lip, which is exactly the same thing. Another pass. Okay, that's going a little bit out of shape. That's okay. I'll come over here. Only worried about these ends. And this one. Okay. Now I'm going to need to shrink this because now I need to reduce the amount of material.
Mm-hmm.
So we're getting a curve like that.
Yep.
But before I shrink it, I just want this with a bit more shape to it. Okay, now let's make some noise. Grab square dot, nice and deep in the corner there. Now we've got a new shape. So what I need to do is, because we're curved in now, I need to stretch here. Now when it comes to stretching, I don't stick everything right in. You only want to stretch the outer half.
Yep.
Starting to look straighter already. Just getting there. Nice and straight. Now I just need to clean up here a little bit. Nice. Okay. Over here. Move over to our sander. And there's a wheel arch with a bit of a flare, just made very, very quickly.
Very nice. So ladies and gentlemen, you've seen what goes into it. So that would be, let's say for example, a fender. I don't want to touch the other end, it might be hot,
No,
No, it's all right. So yeah, this would be like the fender, for example, and this is the wheel would be here, and that's the actual wheel arch with your bends and lips. And turn it around the other side. And this is the inside that you feel a lot of times if you put your finger.
Well, the inner guard would
The inner guard,
normally,
yeah.
on the rear, the inner guard would be spot welded to this.
Yeah.
On the front.
And that's it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. So if you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. Alex, thank you very much once again for this episode. We'll be doing another one next week. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye, everybody.
Goodbye, everyone.